To set up a fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy S26, all you need to do is simply navigate to Settings and then scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD. From here, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, and then from here, simply select Fingerprints. Next, tap on Continue, and then simply select Register. You may be prompted to create a PIN, password, or pattern if you haven't yet already. Then from here, simply go ahead and just start adding your fingerprint to your phone. Once it's been successfully added, you can choose to add another one, or you can just tap on Done to finish up the process from there. And so now whenever you're unlocking your phone, you can use your fingerprint to unlock your device. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.